So this is how you can use Vivago or Vivago as an AI image and video generator. So there's three types of this. You can either generate images using prompts, generate videos using prompts slash texts, or the third one, you can change an image and turn it into a video. So for example, if you have an old image of yourself as a kid, you could change that into a video as you growing up, and then you could actually post a new photo of yourself like right now, and it's going to transition into that from a kid to your present self. So I am currently at Vivago AI. They also have an app if you want to download it, but this is how you use it. So you can, tap on each one of these. I'm gonna make it simple and tap on image generator. If you want to, generate videos, just tap on the third one. Or if you want to change your image into a video, just tap on the second one. So here we are. All you need is a prompt and you'll be good to go. You could even upload a reference if you wanted to copy an image. But yeah, you need a prompt. Just generate something like whatever you want to generate. For example, if you want the AI to create an image of a really big forest, you could say something like, generate me a big forest, or you could say something like, the forest is on fire, something like that. I'm just gonna put, make me an image of a forest. There we go. It's very clear. I told it to make an image of a forest, and now we can tap on generate at the bottom. Once you tap on generate, of course, it's going to ask you to log in or sign up with an account. Now, don't you worry because this is completely free. All you need is an actual account, either from Google or Yahoo, and then you can, sign in using that. And once you sign in, you will get free credits for you to, create these images and videos or transition them. And it's really, really simple. Once you're done signing in or signing up, just tap on generate and you're good to go. And by the way, these credits that you will receive will generate, like they will regenerate. Like after you use them today and you're out of credits, just use them for tomorrow. Like wait for tomorrow and you'll get new credits that you can use in order to create more images or videos. So that really is for this video. It's called Vivago AI, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.